Welcome to my channel. We are cooking quesadillas today. Our first ingredients is jalapeno peppers, chopped to your preferred style or size. Scallion, chopped to preferred size. Cilantro, chopped. Red pepper. Mushrooms, chopped. Salmon fillet, de-skinned and chopped. Olive oil spray. Spray the pan. Get the pan nice and hot. Drop all your chopped ingredients in the skillet. Drop your salmon in the skillet. Now you want to add your seasonings. Cinnamon, adobo, onion powder, 3 tablespoons of water to steam it up. Stir it up and saute it. Get your grill, throw the taco on the grill. Get your organic cheese. Spread your cheese. Add your sauteed salmon and peppers. Top it off with more cheese. Add the corn tortilla on the top and flip and grill, and there it is. Nice cheesy quesadilla. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Make sure you subscribe.